All right, so it is the fourth night of the challenge. It's Thursday London session right now. What time is it? It's 2 a.m. It's Thursday in London. Right now I think the market's giving us daily setups. It look good because it tried to fake out on Tuesday and we held, so I really think we're gonna be good with surviving. The account challenge is $100 into 150,000. Do I know exactly when it's gonna happen? I don't, but I know I'm gonna do it because I've done it a lot. I know that it's gonna just require a level of perfect execution on my part. And I would say of the last 2 weeks, execution, the first 3 weeks was subpar. I could have did better there. Probably would have been closer to the completing the challenge already if I did, but it's a matter of trial and error in that standpoint. I think we're strong right now, especially since it's like $100 account challenge. I started this week with 14 bucks in the account, grew it to almost 100. The market kind of manipulated a little bit, came down and blew the account balance to like negative like 10 bucks right now. But we're still on the same $14 account. I haven't even added anything else to it. But yeah, let's just take a look real quick because I'm excited to complete this because I can't wait to show you guys that I can do this in public too. It's like a different skill that I've been trying to master, trading in front of everyone. But yeah, this account started with 14 bucks. Um, Let me see. Actually do this. Oops. Wrong one. I got you. Share. We got that. Where's my shit at? Oh, I need this one. There we go. All right. I think I found the right page. Let me just check one more time to make sure. All right, cool. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm kind of lagging a little bit. But yeah, I'm looking for a reason to sell the dollar. I'm looking for a reason to buy assets. In that standpoint. Also, the 4 hour chart, it looks like it could go up for the dollar, but I just don't see that happening. Like, I just don't see that happening. I'd be so surprised. Like I'm on a $14 account. Like the growth on this account is moving very slow. Um, because I feel like I should be at a couple hundred for sure. Granted, I did start with 14 bucks, but I started with 14 bucks because it's just a matter of control for me. I'm a very high risk trader, very heavy trader. Some people can't handle my risk. So let me just start with 10% of what you're starting with because I could do it. You know what I'm talking about? So it's like if I've been trading a $14 account all week, in reality, the $14 account's been trading itself because I really haven't been looking at this shit for real. Then then I feel like I'm pretty good in the market. Like pretty how do you say I'm not anxious. I'm not anxious. That's what the word is. Not it's doing this stupid shit. Let's do this. Yeah, this is a daily setup. We already closed beneath this high. I would like us to bring back down because honestly, why the fuck are we up here anyway, personally? So that's just the dollar. We broke down the dollar a few times. GBP USD, we got perfect entries on GBP USD. We entered down here. We entered a few entries down here. Those entries got chopped up well, I guess it was up here because it got chopped up when the market came down. Most of the time when the market is retesting, it could retest like I say 50 to 90% if I'm not mistaken. That's what I've experienced. That's what I've seen. And there's about a 50% retest there, and then we've taken off. Drop it down to the 1 hour chart. It's still taking off. So I would like to continue to the upside if we can. But the market, man, I'm not gonna lie, making a fool out of me. But I'm gonna get these accounts flipped. It's just a matter of it's so slow right now. I feel like everything is moving in slow motion. And I'm just like, that's like the one part I will say. Like, I'm just like, is it just me or is everything going really slow? It is. Everything's going really slow. Um, but we're alive. So if I started the week with $14 and we got a negative balance of 10, we still got equity in the market. We got a profit of 31. We got an equity total in the account of $20. Really, I'm up $6 for this week. Yeah, it took 4 days for $6, but technically on the first day I grew it from 14 to 88 and I just didn't take it. But if I took it, then I wouldn't have the equity. Like, cause look, GBP USD was perfect fucking entries. You ain't got this entry. It didn't give you this entry again. You know what I'm talking about? So it's like it only give it one time. That's why I didn't want to let it go. That's my viewpoint on things though. Everyone else has their own perspective on trading, but it's also a matter of what is your goal. So my goal is to treat my trading account just like I treat my investments accounts and make it like passive income because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to do shit. I don't want to have to wake up on time. Like my day is actually ending at like 7 a.m. But people don't realize, like, they might think, oh, she wakes up at like 11, 12. They don't see me for US session. But you gotta see me for US session because my entries are in US session for me and shit like that. So as long as we survive, we're good. If we don't survive this $14 account, it's not gonna make any sense to me personally. But you know, now we just wait. Patience is gonna be the biggest part of it. We've survived all of this chop here. This shit was really annoying, but we survived it. So now let's hope that GBP USD continues more to the upside so that we can ultimately get these accounts flipped. And I can talk my shit. I can't talk no shit right now. I'm taking fucking L's. Not even L's, but this shit moving in slow motion. I feel like I'm retarded a little bit. So let's just get the ball rolling.